Sat Shri Akal dear students, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest video notifications. Science Class 9 Chapter 1 Matter Our Surrounding. States of matter. Observe different type of matter around you. What are its different states? We can see that matter around us exists in different states: solid, liquid and gas. These states of matter arise due to the variation in the characteristics of the particles of matter. Now let us study about the properties of these three states of matter in detail. The solid state. Collect the following articles: a pen, a book, a needle and a piece of wooden stick. Sketch the shape of the above articles in your notebook by moving a pencil around them. All the above are examples of solid. We can observe that all these have a definite shape, distinct boundaries and fixed volumes. If we try compressing them by applying force, it have negligible compressibility. Solid have a tendency to maintain these shape when subjected to outside force. Solid may break under the force, but it is difficult to change their shape, so they are rigid. Consider the following. But are a rubber band, can it change its shape on stretching? Is it a solid? A rubber band changes shape under force and regains the same shape when the force is removed. If excessive force is applied, it breaks. But about sugar and salt, when it kept in different jars, these take the shape of the jar. Are they solid? The shape of each individual sugar or salt crystal remains fixed. Whether we take it in our hands, put it in a plate or in a jar. What about a sponge? It is a solid, yet we are able to compress it. Why? A sponge has minute hole. It has air is trapped. When it press it, the air is expelled out and we are able to compress it. A solid is that state of matter which has definite shapes, mass and volume. For example, pen, book, needle, wooden stick. Properties. Solid have a definite mass and definite volume. Solids have negligible compressibility. Solids have high densities. The intermolecular distance is very small and intermolecular forces are very strong. The liquid state. Collect the following: water, cooking oil, milk, use a cold drink. What will happen if these liquids are spilled on the floor? We observe that liquid have no fixed shape but have a fixed volume. They take up the shapes of the container in which they are kept. Liquids flow and change shape, so they are not rigid but can be called fluid. A liquid state, that state of matter which has definite mass and volume but not definite shape. Properties. Liquids have a definite mass and volume. Liquids do not have definite shape. Liquids are more compressible than solid. Liquids are less dense than that of the solids. Less intermolecular forces of attraction in liquids. The gaseous state. Have you ever observed a balloon seller filling a large number of balloons from a single cylinder of gas? Because gas are highly compressible as compared to solids and liquids. The liquefied petroleum gas LPG cylinder that we get in our homes for cooking, or the oxygen supplied to hospitals in cylinders is compressed gas. Compressed natural gas (CNG) is used as a fuel these days in vehicles. Due to its high compressibility, large volumes of a gas can be compressed into a small cylinder and transported easily. A gas is that state of matter which has definite mass but not definite volume and no definite shape. For example, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Properties: a gas contained in a vessel have definite mass. They do not have definite shape and volume. Gas are highly compressible. Density of gas are extremely small. Negligible intermolecular forces of attraction. In this video or lecture, we learn about 3 states of matter: the solid state, the liquid state, and the gaseous state. That's all about this topic. I hope you will understand today's topic in this lecture. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Keep hard work and make parents' name shine.